Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to add RepairShopr ticket in Google Sheets. So as a software repair service provider, I use RepairShopr to receive new repairing requests through tickets. So now here in this case I want whenever I receive a new ticket in my RepairShopr account, then automatically the details of that ticket should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add RepairShopr ticket in Google Sheets. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that as a software repair service provider, I use RepairShopr to track incoming repair requests and ticket statuses. So by automatically adding these tickets to Google Sheets, I can create a real-time dashboard that helps me monitor all open issues, prioritize urgent cases, and track the overall workflow of my team. So here to build this connection, I need to integrate my RepairShopr account with my Google Sheets account, and this integration will make it easy to generate reports, spot recurring software problems, and analyze the efficiency of my repair process. Having all the ticket data in Google Sheets allow me to collaborate with my team more effectively, ensuring no issue is missed and improving our response times to client software repairs. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add RepairShopr ticket in Google Sheets. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select a folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name add RepairShopr ticket in Google Sheets. And here you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as RepairShopr. RepairShopr is a tool designed for repair shops to manage their business operations more easily. It helps with everything from tracking customer repairs to invoicing, inventory management, and customer communication. People use RepairShopr because it simplifies the day-to-day task of running a repair business, letting you focus more on fixing things and less on paperwork. Whether you run a phone, computer, or a general repair shop, RepairShopr helps keep everything organized and running smoothly. So here in my RepairShopr trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new ticket, so that whenever a new ticket is going to be created in my RepairShopr account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever a new ticket is going to be created in my RepairShopr account, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, here you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my RepairShopr account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my RepairShopr account, and here you can see my RepairShopr account. So from here I'm going to click on this admin settings given over here, and then from here I'm going to click on this notification center given in the left sidebar. And now here under this notification sets manager, I'm going to create a new notification by clicking on this new notification set button given over here. And here you can see it is asking me to give a name to my notification set. So here for the name, I'm going to give the name as new ticket. And now scrolling little down, here this users field is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And here you can see it is asking me for a webhook URL field. So here in this webhook URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and then here it is asking me to select the event. So here for the event, I'm going to select the event as new ticket created. So scrolling little down, and here you can see the ticket created for everyone. So here I'm going to turn on this webhook option given over here, and now after selecting this event, whenever a new ticket is going to be created for anyone, then automatically it is going to send the response to this webhook URL. And now here, after selecting my event, I'm going to click on this create notification set given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a new notification set with the name new ticket, and with this we have successfully set up a webhook inside our RepairShopr account. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test ticket in our RepairShopr account. So for that, let me take you back to my RepairShopr account, and here I'm going to click on this ticket options given over here, and from here I'm going to generate a new ticket by clicking on this new ticket button given over here. Now here under this new ticket window, you can see it is asking me to enter the customer name. So here I'm going to enter a new customer name such as Dummy Lead. Then I'm going to click on this create ticket. And now here for the business name, I'm going to enter the business name as XYZ Company. And here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as dummy123@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter some random phone number. And here for the address, I'm going to enter the address as 567 XYZ Street. And here I'm going to enter the city as Ajmer. And here for the state, I'm going to enter the state as Rajasthan. And then here I'm going to enter the zip code as 305801. Scrolling little down, here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, here I'm going to click on this create customer and ticket. And then here I'm going to enter some more details such as title as virus issue. And here for this issue type, I'm going to enter the issue type as virus. And here for the priority, I'm going to select urgent. And then here it is asking me to enter the complete issue description. So here for the description, I'm going to enter the description as, I guess my device has got some viruses. Please solve my issue as soon as possible. So here I've written a description, and now I'm going to scroll it little down. Again, these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, and then I'm going to click on this create ticket. And here you can see we have successfully created a new ticket with the number 4203 and the subject as virus issue. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response over here where we have received the text as a ticket was created. Here we have received the link for the ticket. Here we have received the HTML text for the entire ticket created. Scrolling little down, here you can see the updated date and time. Here you can see the subject as virus issue and the status as new. Scrolling little down, here we have received the problem type. Here we have received the priority. Scrolling little more down, here you can see the business name, that is XYZ Company. Here you can see the zip code. Here you can see the state. Scrolling little down, here you can see the phone number, and here you can see the customer online profile URL. Scrolling little down, here you can see the full name of the lead, that is Dummy Lead. Here you can see the first name. Here you can see the email. Here you can see the city and the company name. Here you can see the street address, and some other details as well. And lastly, here you can see the description of the ticket which we have received over here, which says, I guess my device has got some viruses. Please solve my issue as soon as possible. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to action step. And here in my action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So by selecting this particular application, we are going to add the details of the ticket created in our Google Sheets as a new row so that we can get the details of all the tickets which we have received in our RepairShopr account at a one place. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. It's like having a powerful and flexible digital workbook that you can access from any device with an internet connection. People use Google Sheets because it's super convenient for collaborating with others in real time, whether you are tracking expenses, creating project plans, analyzing data, or working on a group assignment. Google Sheets makes it easy to work together and stay organized. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Google apps like Google Drive and Google Forms, making it a go-to tool for personal and professional use. So here in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that whenever a new ticket is going to be created in my RepairShopr account, then automatically the details of that ticket is going to be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here for the spreadsheet, I have already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name RepairShopr tickets. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as RepairShopr tickets. And now here after selecting my spreadsheet, here I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1. And then here it is asking me to enter the customer name, customer's phone number, email, company name, issue subject, issue description and the priority. So basically these are the fields which I've entered in my Google Sheets. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new ticket is going to be created in my RepairShopr account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for my customer name. So for that I'm going to search for the customer name over here. So this is my customer's full name. Here I'm going to map my customer's phone number. So this is my customer's phone number. Here I'm going to map my customer's email. So this is my customer's email. Here I'm going to map my customer's company name. So this is my customer's company name. And then here I'm going to map the issue subject. I'm going to search for the subject over here. So this is my issue subject. And here I'm going to map my issue description. So here I'm going to search for the issue description. So this is my issue description. And now here lastly it is asking me for a priority. So here I'm going to map the priority. So for that I'm going to search for the priority. So this is the priority. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets row. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the customer name as dummy lead, customer's phone number, customer's email as dummy123@pabblytunes.com, company name as XYZ company, issue subject as virus issue, and here you can see the issue description over here, and here you can see the priority as urgent. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as RepairShopr and action as Google Sheets, so that whenever a new ticket is going to be created in our RepairShopr account, then automatically the details are going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.